Yellow, green, and blue are motor cables. The purple-blue one is the throttle cable. And this is the 5 rows of cables of the motor. This is the remote control cable. These two are brake blackout cables, yellow-green wire and black cable, linking red and black cables. Single yellow-green cable connected to single white wire. The black and red ones are the power cords positive and negative. Orange and black cable link orange and black cable. The pedal assist cable is a black, red and blue connector connected to a yellow, red and blue connector. This is the cable connection for the 123 speed. Here, the gray, black, and blue connector is connected to the red, black, and green connector. This is the last big cable.